She was just 13 years old. She had been underperforming at school, so her mother took her to the doctor and explained about her fidgeting and lack of focus. After hearing everything her mother said, the doctor told her that he needed to talk to her mother privately for a moment. He turned on the radio and walked out. He then encouraged her mother to look at her, who was dancing to the radio. The doctor noted that she was a dancer and encouraged her mother to take her to dance school. She was auditioned for the Royal Ballet School. She had a wonderful career at the Royal Ballet, and she finally became a world-renowned ballerina, dancer, choreographer, actress, and theater television director, becoming the first non-royal woman to have a theater named after her in London. This story is about Gillian Lynne, an English woman known for her theater choreography associated with two of the longest-running shows in Broadway history, Cats and The Phantom of the Opera. Her story was widely known around the world through the TED Lecture "Do Schools Kill Creativity?" by British educational thinker Sir Ken Robinson. Still, in our society, academic ability dominates our view of intelligence. And the consequence is that many highly creative people are not recognized for their value. We have to recognize anew through this story that academic ability, or degree, is never all about human ability.